Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can design a simple product flyer in Photoshop as part of our class for this 1 month course. And show you that I've downloaded the materials and it's all in the folder that I'll share on the class page on WhatsApp. Currently the class is going on, so if you want to join, kindly send a message to the email that I'll add to the description below the video so that I can share the link with you to join the platform. Without much ado, let's jump right into the flyer. So to do that, you open your Photoshop, then go to new, then select our paper size. For this, we use the 790 by 790 pixels. As you can see, it is here in pixels. The name, you can give it design project. Leave everything the same. Always keep the resolution at 300. It will also help you when printing or sharing your documents online. It keeps them clear. So you just go to create, and now we have the plain sheet. Now to add on the elements, we go to our folder here. I think I have that here, so let me just go to project, and I have all the items here. Okay, so the first I have on the list is the product. Okay, and here I'm using the shoe as a product. So let me just get quickly and you start from there. So I have the product here, so I just hold it, double click, hold, and drag and drop on the sheet, and to bring the shoe over here. So yeah, we are doing it for a shoe, for shoe products. Okay, so how do that? I just put my item here, and for the color, I shared a link on color theory on the page to help you understand how colors are used in designs. Sometimes when we are using a product, you can just pick colors from the design. Right now you can see the shoe having a black and a brown color. That's also a guide. So what I'll do is that I'll start with that. So I'll bring in the text. This is what we are designing. Okay, as you can see on the screen. So I'll bring the text, and I advise that you use your own name as the name of the brand. So I'll use my name. So it is Julius. So I just go to the text here, come and click here, then type Julius, and apostrophe and S. Highlight everything just by holding Ctrl+A. Then you come to the color here, then you tap on it, then you can choose the color from the shoe. When you're done, you just click on OK. Then go to the move tool here, come down here and drag your name. You can resize it to your preference. Okay, there's a principle that is used in guiding you on how you can choose your text size. Let me just show you briefly. Yeah, so this is how it should be. Mostly if you have your head text looking very big, you can just divide it by 2 by 2/3. Just divide it by 2/3 and use that 2/3 for the as the next smaller text. Sometimes you can even jump from one to the other. So let's say if this one is 10.16, I can just multiply by 2/3 to get the next size of text that I have to use. Okay, but you can jump steps. I'll take you through everything as you go along this project. Alright, so I want this text to be quite big, so I'll go to regular again. I'm using Helvetica as the font for this particular design. To able to change the font type, I'll just press enter, and see it has changed the size of the lines around the text. So I'll go to regular and select bold. You see bold, so I'll make it small a bit. For design, I'm trying to use the align right, mean that most of the text will be at this side while the image will be at this side. Center will bring everything to the center. Okay, so I'll just bring this one here, make it quite big. Yeah, that's okay for me. So I'll drag this up here, then press Ctrl plus J to duplicate the name, and I'll make it shoes. We spoke about contrast. Okay, that you can use colors to give contrast to text. So to make each of these texts more showy, I'll just go to color, then choose the black. Okay, choose the black. Well, on the shoe is not black, it's actually some ash, but you go by. It's not bad going by the ash. Let me just choose this from the shoe. So okay, so Julius sees shoes. Alright, so I'm done here. The next item will be a label. So I'll click on the text, then come here, click on the sheet here, then type available items. So I'll click the move to here, then resize everything. You can still go by the ratio. Let me show you the ratio here that we used to format the size or the shape of the text. So let me just show you. I think it should be somewhere here. So as shown on the screen, this is how it is used. Okay, so you can use the 2/3 to multiply the font size to get the following one. But actually, this is about third in line to this particular one, because this is very small, this is big. But yeah, there's no one strict rule to the design, so you can just choose what fits visually. Okay, so to make the available items stand out, because one of the key areas that can draw people's attention to whatever is on the list. So I'll do that. I'll come here, choose the rectangle tool here, come here, double click and drag over the available item to draw a shape. I'll come here. You see, when I double click on the, okay, I think it's working. So I'll double click here, then come to colors here, then choose the color from the name here. So I'll tap on OK. The text is not showing anymore. I mean the available item. So I'll do that. I'll just double click on the rectangle here and drag it down the available items. Now it brings the text on top. I'll go back to move to, then come and click on the available items here. Then see this function will appear. Okay, so you choose color, then you can select white. So white is to give contrast. I mean, if I use black, you can see the available items written there clearly. So yeah, this is okay for me. I'll drag it down a bit, drag the box there a bit. This is too much, and just bring it. You know about white space. White spaces are actually empty areas left on a design. Let's say for instance, this is a white space, white space, white space, white space. White space does not actually mean it is white. It means that there's no item there. Okay, so I just put it over here like this, and that's okay. So I'll click on available items, press Ctrl plus J to duplicate, then I'll just drag it down here, change the color. You see, come to the button here, characters. If it's not there, just go to Windows and look for characters and tap on it. This one, character. When it's marked, it means that it will show here. Okay, so yeah, and I'll come to color and choose the ash here. This like deep blue. Anyways, so I'll make it a bit smaller than the available items. Okay, you can still use the available item size, but as I said, you can, if you're a beginner, you can use the rules that I share with you to guide you on what size to use. So I'm listing my items. So let me say I'll mention boots, loafers. What should I write again? Shoes. Oh, I need an idea. Let's add an item. Column right. Safety. Safety boots, and last one I write football boots, for instance. So now I'm done. I'll click on the move tool here and drag it side a bit. It's too large, so I'll just drag it with the corner and drag it. You can still go by the ratio, okay, to guide you. So you have to check the alignment too as well. So for instance, I can come here, you see there's a ruler here. I'll just double click on it and drag the item in the line here, and I'll make sure that everything's aligned to it. Okay, so I'll check here. There's a space here because I want to put some points there. So what I'll do is I'll drag this one inside a bit, and I'll start putting the points. So I'll come here, right click, take the ellipse tool, then hold shift and drag small bit. Yeah, and I'll give it color brown. So just from here I can select brown. Now I'll go back to move, select the show transform controls and tick the box so that I can see the circle clearly. So I just put it over here. This looks so clustered. Okay, so I'll click on it like this, come to the character, then come to the distances here, the distance here. So I might try to increase it by pressing on the top arrow key. Okay, so yeah, so 3 is too much, so I'll just type 2.5 to keep it average. Okay, then when I'm done, I'll just click on okay, then come here, then click on Ctrl plus press Ctrl plus J to duplicate, and use the move tool to move the circle down a bit. Same thing, so Ctrl plus J, press, then Ctrl plus J, move again, and that ends it. And also you don't need to use the same font type, the font style throughout. So what I'll do is that, let's see, for the items here I can just go to regular and make it this way. You see, it looks thinner than this one, and that gives more contrast. Now I want to add a contact. So what I'll do is that I'll just come here, available items, then press Ctrl plus J to copy it. Then come to this way, go to color, change it to, let's say that's deep blue. Now, and I'll double click on the text and just write contact us. Then just drag it and put it over here. Okay, this one too, I'll just go to the font area here, then choose regular to make it thinner. Okay, so I'll put it over here, then I'll bring in a rectangle again. I'll come here, click on it, right click, and go to rectangle, double click and drag. I want to center align this, so I'll go to move to again, press Ctrl plus A to select everything. Then I'll come here, this alignment option here, align horizontal center, so I'll just click on it, then to align everything to center. Okay, so I'll come here to search for the contact as via, and kind of tap on the center alignment as well. So when I'm done, Ctrl plus D to deactivate everything. I'll go back to my shape here, rectangle, and activate this guy, show transform controls. So I'll come here, change the color to the brown, and I'm done. From here, I'll come here, duplicate this by pressing on Ctrl plus J, drag it to where the rectangle is, but you see it's beneath the rectangle, so I just drag it on top of it and change the color to white. Okay, then it seems it's bigger than the rectangle, so I just, with the rectangle beneath it, hold control, then no, shift, then start dragging, make it a bit bigger. When I'm done, I'll position the text inside. I'll make it bigger, so I'll go to character, then go to this place, then choose bold. Here I write a contact here, so what I'll do is that I'll type a contact over there, just say +233, then 23 again, then 123, then 1234. Alright, so that'll be the contacts. Okay, so after here, what you can do is that we add some icons. Okay, for that, I got this image from PNGX. So in case you want to get this image, just search for PNGX online and you can take these images without their background attached. Okay, that's where I got some of these signs or these icons from for the contact. So let me just go back and go and take them. So I'll come here, and I'll first of all, let me go back again, tap on the rectangle here, then go back, just drag and drop here. Okay, then make it small a bit, smaller, then press enter, then hold it again. So instead of pressing enter, just tap on it and to stop moving around. So just bring it here, make it a bit smaller. You can zoom in with your two fingers, just use that, or just use the zoom button here. Okay, so now that I bring it here, I'll change the color to white because it's not showing well. So I'll just go to FX, go to color valley, then I'll change it to white. You see it's already white, so I could change it from here. It's already white, so it's fine. So white. I'm bringing another image too as well. So let me just go back. Cool. Just hold it and drag it here. I will share that with you on the WhatsApp page. So I'll just zoom back, drag this into a small version, zoom back again, and drag it here. So drag it here. Change the color to white again. It's already white, so it's okay. Just press OK. Then you make it a bit smaller. Try to align. Zoom out. Then you align this one very well to look neat. Sorry. So press on the number here, push it to the center a bit, and that looks good. Okay, this looks like a simple basic flyer. However, we are not done. Okay, let's add more items. Let's see. Let me try dragging this a bit bigger. Yeah, a bit bigger. That's okay. Now let's add a background. Okay, to add a background, you go back again, tap on the background here, then go back again to your folders. Add the background here. So just background you can get from Pinterest or even on Google. If you go to Pinterest, for instance, let's say Google, and you type in pattern backgrounds. Let's say pattern backgrounds. See, to give you these patterns, people use this a lot in their documents. Sorry, in their posters. Okay, so you can try that and it helps. Or maybe general flyer background, they'll give you more. So I have mine there, so I just hold it and drag it and drop it over here. And wait for it to load. This brings me to the camera robbers. Some of you, your app might not bring it here. So if it brings you, just tap on the OK, then to bring you back. Then you press enter again. Then tap on the background, or just use the mouse to go to the layer side, scroll and find out where it is. Hold it and drag it down to the last part of the flyer, the last layer. Okay, so I'll put this over here. Then it is beneath. Where you see it is too showy, it's too obvious. All I'll do is that I'll click outside, click on move to, then go to fill, and I'll reduce the fill to low intensity. This is quite okay. So from here, I want to add some little bit of flair. What I'll do is that I'll come and click on this plus, then you can select a brush. This is a brush, so this one. Then come here, increase my brush size by using the bracket key over here. If it shows a plus, mean that your caps lock is on. See, it's on now, it shows a plus. When it's off, it shows a circle. So when I'm done, keep this particular place white. If this is not white, double click on it and select white from here. The top icon here should be white. Then come here, then just double tap an area just to blend the background. Instead of everything being a pattern, it is making it a bit of white and blending. For example, let's see if I increase the fill. Let me go to background and let me show you something. If I increase the fill right now, you can see here is a bit white. Here is still having the pattern. So let me see. Let me just keep it a bit lower, and this is okay. Okay, so yeah, so this is how you can design a simple basic flyer. Okay, and I believe that helps. Those who are ready to learn, I mean active, you can also change it to the align center. Okay, and share with me. Just align everything to the center let's say for example, I can bring this one to the center, make it small. Okay, then add the names here. All right, then this one will be like this. And I'll bring these items below here, and this has to be arranged in the horizontal form. If you want to try this, kindly do that one to and share with me, or just do what I did and share that with me. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you're new here, kindly subscribe, share, and like this video. We also go through how to save the document. In order to save this document as a Photoshop file, just go to File, select Save. Then you can choose a location and just save it. But to save it as a picture, like a JPEG, okay, you go to File again, and this you select Save as a copy. Then from here you choose the option here. You look for JPEG, the first one, then choose a name and choose your location and save it. So let's say let me just save this one. Let me just save it somewhere. Project. You can move the copy name over here. Okay. Then you click on save, and that will be saved. So you choose here to become your quality. You just choose 12. Then we are done. Then from here I can just go and look at it from my folders. So when I'm done, it will appear here. You see, so let's just click on it. And this is how it appears. Yes, you can do more complex design than this, but this is just for educational purposes, and I believe this helps you. Just see you again. Stay blessed, and also please do this and share it with me. Thank you.